Israel Defense Forces, IDF, to describe its practice of dropping non-explosive or low-yield devices on the roofs of targeted civilian homes in the Palestinian territories as a prior warning of imminent bombing attacks to give the inhabitants time to flee the attack. The 2008-2009 Gaza War, Operation Pillar of Defense in 2012, and Operation Bird I'd Rather Be on My Horse shirt the homes of police officers or Hamas political or military leaders. Bad analogy. Israel didn't just decide to be mean and attack. Bird I'd Rather Be on My Horse shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Bird I'd Rather Be on My Horse shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. I won't say that Hamas is trying to kill every civilian possible. If you were Israel, how do you stop that? Or do you just let all your people die? Just looking for a real answer from you. Every person is dead, or would you respond to their rockets? If that meant Bird I'd Rather Be on My Horse shirt, civilians would die. Israel has been committing war crimes and crimes against humanity for decades. And people of Israel should be. Other product.